Mauta terrorists are losing more space to move on in war-torn Marawi City, and government forces are optimistic that the Marawi siege will end soon. Latest word is that the terrorists are now constricted in just 2 barangays. Rocky Ignacio filed this report.
The military operations against the Maute group are now confined to only 2 barangays in Marawi City. President Rodrigo Duterte already said that the Marawi siege will end soon.
The area of operation is confined to about 2 barangays, or to be exact, about 2.5 barangays, and confined to about less than 1 square kilometer of the most problematic areas. Our troops are in a very high state of morale, all leaning forward to finish this operation at the soonest time possible.
In the Mindanao Hour briefing, Padilla asked the public for understanding on the financial assistance given to the fallen soldiers from the private sector. The AFP official issued a statement following observations that soldiers had received more donations than the affected residents.
At itong binigay na tulong po sa mga pamilyang to, hindi po ito mapapalitan ang buhay na nawala. Inuulit ko po, yung halaga po na yan, tulad ng sinabi ng mahal na Pangulo, at ganoon din po ang napakadaming donors na nagbigay, ay nagsasabi na itong halagang itong binibigay namin ay hindi pwedeng itapat sa mga buhay na nawala.
Padilla reiterated that government forces are there to regain peace and order against terrorists.
Nagpunta po tayo dyan upang ipagtanggol at kunin muli ang lugar ng Marawi galing sa mga kamay ng masasamang loob na nariyan pa hanggang ngayon. So itong pagbubuwis ng buhay ng ating mga bayani ay kinikilala po ng karamihan.
Meantime, Padilla announced that the AFP will not pursue a case against a comedian who used a military uniform in one of her appearances. The comedian earlier said that she used a military uniform for art's sake. Padilla added that only soldiers or reservists are allowed to wear military uniforms.
Last night, the Chief of Staff, AFP, General Eduardo Año, ordered a thorough review of the case of Ms. Paner, following information that Ms. Paner did not actually ridicule soldiers, but even praise the sacrifices of our men in uniform. It was also reported that she did this in the interest of the arts, being a recognized comedian. Based on this information and other findings, the AFP will no longer pursue the case, but calls upon Ms. Paner and other unauthorized individuals to henceforth desist from the inappropriate use of our uniforms.
Meanwhile, rehabilitation efforts are now in place in Marawi City. Office of Civil Defense Assistant Secretary James Purisima said that the Philippines continue to receive international donations, including from the ASEAN Humanitarian Assistance Center. For The Nation, Rocky Ignacio.